I'm caught up in your presence.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're a tiny subscriber, thank you for coming back. The noise you're hearing at the back is actually construction going on in the next building, and I have a cold, and I think there's just dust settling in this house, so it's not making things easier, it's making things worse. Today I want to undo my hair because again I feel like there's just something heavy on my head. I have fluffy kinkies, as you can see.
Wanna be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places like me. Acting like we wasn't more than some more play. I said farewell. You took it well. Promise I won't cry. Must feel milk.
So hair done. It's in need of some TLC. As you can see, there's a lot of gel buildup on the hair, but I'm going to put it in a bun and pretend like that's not today's problem. I actually have a headache that's just this cold, but the hair is done. My head is feeling a lot lighter, a lot lighter. I'm glad. Honestly, I'm just putting it in a bun.
You and me living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it.
Baby, just do it for you. When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and no budget wasted. Oh no, baby, let's go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. I think I'm gonna skip the basics. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase you're putting on. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable. Delectable. Just like fine China. Favorite. You're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me do their faces and saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, he's so replaceable. You're worth the choice you're putting on. It's alright.
So guys, I finally got to try the new Fanta flavor. What's the Fanta? This is it. Of course, I had to try it cold. It's a new product. I had to try it cold, and let me tell you, I actually like this flavor. It reminds me of those ice creams I used to buy as a kid. I think I'll find a picture and put it there on the screen so that you guys can see. If I was to guess this flavor, I'd probably guess blueberry. I don't know why. It's giving me blueberry vibes. I actually like it. Considering I didn't like the other one, this one, I actually like it. I don't know why people are saying they don't like it. Anyway, people have different tastes. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next vlog.